In this video, you'll learn how to change your email address on Calendly. We'll go through each step slowly and clearly so you know exactly where to click, what to type, and what to expect as you update your login email. First, make sure you're logged in to your Calendly account in your web browser. It's easier to follow along on a computer, but the general idea is similar on most devices. Once you're on your Calendly dashboard, look to the top right corner of the screen. There you'll see your account icon. Depending on your setup, this might show your initials, a profile picture, or a small user icon. Click on that account icon. A menu will drop down with several options related to your account. From this menu, choose the option labeled Account Settings. This is where Calendly keeps all of your personal and login information, along with some other account level preferences. After you click Account Settings, you'll be taken to a new page. On the left-hand side of this page, you'll see a sidebar with different sections you can manage. What you want to look for here is Login Preferences. This section controls how you sign into Calendly, including your email address. Go ahead and click on Login Preferences in that left-hand sidebar. The main area of the page will update to show information related to your login, like the email address currently associated with your account. Take a moment to confirm you're in the right place by checking that you see your existing email listed. Next, look for the button that says Change Email. This is usually located near your current email address. Click the Change Email button to start updating your information. When you do this, Calendly will open a small form or dialog box asking for your new email address. In the field provided, carefully type the new email address you want to use for your Calendly account. Make sure it is spelled correctly and that you have access to that inbox, since Calendly may send a confirmation or verification link. It's a good idea to double check for any typos, especially in the domain part after the AT symbol, such as .com or .net. Once you've entered your new email address and confirmed it looks correct, follow the on-screen instructions to save or confirm the change. Depending on Calendly's current security settings, you may be asked to verify the change by clicking a link sent to your new email address, or possibly by entering your account password. If you see a message about verification, leave the Calendly tab open, go to your email inbox in a new tab and look for a message from Calendly. Open it and follow any prompts to finalize the update. After you've completed these steps and any required verification, return to your Calendly account. Your new email address should now be listed under Login Preferences. From this point on, you'll use that updated email when you sign in, and that's it. By clicking your account icon, going into Account Settings, opening Login Preferences, using the Change Email button, and entering your new address, you've successfully updated your email on Calendly.